In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your template in Squarespace version 7.1. Before we dive in, let me assure you that this process is quite simple and can be achieved in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to refresh your current website's look or trying out a completely new design style, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. This is your gateway to managing your website, so make sure you're using the correct login credentials. If you're already logged in, you might be taken directly to your dashboard. Otherwise, look for the login button on the homepage and click it. Once you're at the login screen, a convenient option for many is the Continue with Google button. This allows you to use your Google account to access Squarespace, streamlining the whole process a little bit. Clicking this will lead you to a Google login page if you aren't already logged in, or directly to your Squarespace dashboard if you are. After successfully logging in, you'll see a list of your Squarespace sites if you manage more than one. Find the website you wish to update and click on it. This action will take you to the main dashboard where you have control over all aspects of your site. Now navigate your way to the Styles section of your dashboard. This is where you can customize various design elements of your site. It's the key area for any visual adjustments you want to make, including changing your current template. Within the Styles section, you'll want to look for the Themes option. Clicking on this will open up a gallery of available templates you can apply to your website. The gallery is quite comprehensive, offering a range of styles to suit different tastes and functionalities, so take your time to explore. Once you've browsed through the themes and found one that resonates with your vision for your site, selecting it is simple. All you need to do is click on the theme you'd like to apply. This action will instantly apply the new theme to your website, giving it a fresh new look. Remember, you can always preview the theme first to see how it will influence your site's appearance before fully committing to it. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully changed your website's template on Squarespace 7.1. Remember, you can always revert back or try other themes until you find the perfect fit for your website. With Squarespace, you have the flexibility to get creative and truly make your site your own. Enjoy experimenting with different looks and feel free to customize even further. Thanks for watching and happy website designing.